Hey everyone, I'm here to walk you through your Orders tab on NuORDER. First and foremost, to get into your Orders tab, you're going to want to hover your mouse over the left-hand side and you'll see Orders. Once you select, this is the page that will automatically bring you to. The thing that I love about our NuORDER Orders tab is that it's very easy to navigate and it's super easy to filter based on whatever criteria you may be looking for at that time. So as you can see here, you have all of these filters where you can select by order status, currency, company, sales rep, order date, ship start, ship end. And the thing that's great too is that you can actually select multiple of these statuses. So if you're looking for draft orders and easy orders placed by a particular rep, you can go ahead and filter through that and you'll have a list of those orders. As you can see up here, you can also search for specific orders. If you have an order number that you are looking for in particular, this would be the way to do it. You can go ahead and filter how you want your orders to show up. So from modified descending to ship start descending, kind of just depending on what you're looking for. And you also have your columns tab here as well. So you can toggle on and off what filters you want displayed within your orders tab. If internally there are some features that may matter a little bit more to your team versus some other ones, you can just kind of modify this to whatever works best for you. And then you can go ahead and select whichever orders you'd like. So another cool thing to keep in mind is that if you have filters applied, you can select all that meet search and filter criteria, and then you have your actions bar here. So you can move these orders back, move them forward, you can archive the orders, move them to canceled, or you can simply just go ahead and click export, and you can export the full order details or the order summary for these selected orders. Another cool thing to note is that if you hover your mouse over a particular order, it will allow you to either edit the order or you can click more actions. So this is where you would be able to, if it's an easy order, you can delete it. You can download the order XLS, you can edit the order, or you can view your allocation summary. So there's a lot of really cool things you can do here, and it's very easy to navigate with all of our filters and easy to use functionalities. So I hope that this was helpful. Thank you.